video sharing, all of our secret pro tips and the mistakes we've made, awesome merchandise in the works, funny content of us doing stupid things around the shop, even a van giveaway in the works. Here at Flippin Vans, we're gonna do it all. If you're watching this video, you have some interest in the van life. That could mean a million different things, but no matter your level of involvement, this video is for you. Maybe you currently live in a van or are looking at buying one right now. Maybe you're ambitious and decided to take on the project of building your dream house on wheels all by yourself. Or maybe you'd never live in it, but you just think vans are downright cool. Whoever you are, we at Flippin Vans want to be your one-stop resource for all things van. I was just a DIYer myself at one point, and I was so frustrated at the lack of good content in the van world. But after assembling an amazing team and converting over 25 vans in the last year, we think we have some things to share. There are so many videos of people trying to do things on their own van. And while they mean well, 99% of the time, it's their first time ever even attempting that project, and they have no idea what they're actually talking about. And I promise you that after doing this full time for a year, you never know the best way on your first try. We've been shocked by the massive gap between the incredible van building companies that are putting out amazing products and the DIYer that's doing it their first time and doesn't know what they're doing. We've made a lot of mistakes that have cost ourselves hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. We've bought countless different parts and tools and shed blood, sweat, and tears, and still, only sometimes we know what the heck we're doing. We're gonna be putting out lots of videos to help you not have to make the same mistakes that we did. We're gonna link the awesome products and tools that we use and really giving out our tricks of the trade. We wanna hear from you about the awesome things that you've learned in your van life journey, and we wanna know the things that you've struggled with too. We know that we still have a lot to learn, so come along on the journey so we can all help each other ease the headache of the van life and make it a dream, not a nightmare. We're currently cranking out some incredible merchandise, building awesome custom vans, going to have some hilarious challenges between us at the shop. We'll throw some big parties for all to come to. And like I said, we're even working on a van giveaway where you can win your dream van here in the near future. So stay tuned for all to come on YouTube, our TikTok or Instagram at Flippin Vans, and we'll see you on the flip side.